Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today we are celebrating the memorial of the Immaculate Heart of Mary. Yesterday we celebrated the solemnity of the Most Sacred Heart of Jesus. And the day after this celebration, we are celebrating today the Immaculate Heart of His Mother, the Blessed Virgin Mary. And the focus of this celebration is on the purity of heart of the Blessed Mother. This devotion directs our attention to the heart of Mary, and it is immaculate because her heart loves the Lord. At yan lang yung pagmamahal ng ating mahal na Birheng Maria. Nagmamahal siya at patuloy na nagmamahal at minamahal ang kanyang anak, ang ating Panginoong Jesucristo. And the purpose of this devotion is to unite us all to God through the heart of the Blessed Mother. And there are two ways on how the Immaculate Heart of Mary leads us to be united to God. Consecration and reparation. Una po, we are united to the heart of the Blessed Mother through consecration. And the word consecration comes from the two Latin words, con sacrare, con with or together, consacrare, sacrare, to make sacred. And so, we are united to our God through the Blessed Mother, to the heart of the Blessed Mother, by making us sacred. And the Immaculate Heart of Mary is precisely immaculate because it is united to the Sacred Heart of Jesus. And so, through Mary, we are brought to Jesus, to our God. And through Mary, we are sanctified, we are made sacred because she brings us all closer to her Son, to the heart of her Son. Consecration. Pangalawa, reparation. The word reparation comes from the Latin word reparare or reparatio, meaning to make ready again. And so reparation is to amend one's wrong by doing something good as an atonement for the wrongs or the sins that we committed. And so, we are united to God through the heart of the Blessed Mother, through the Immaculate Heart of the Blessed Mother, if we allow ourselves to be changed, to be transformed by God. And so, having this devotion to the Immaculate Heart of Mary should transform our hearts and should empower us to get rid of the evil in our lives by repenting for the sins for the sins that we committed, and by having that experience of metanoia, change of heart, change of our paradigm, so that we can only be focused on Jesus. At ito po yung kaanyayan ng debosyon natin sa kalinis-linisang puso ng mahal na Birheng Maria, na tayo po ay mapabanal at paguhin upang sa ganon ay mas mapalapit at mailapit niya tayo sa kanyang anak, ang ating Panginoong Jesucristo. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitaw Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.